Hello, today we're going to be working on Fundations Unit 11, Week 1, Day 1. The objective is that today we will be learning the long vowel sounds and the vowel consonant E syllable. We're going to start with a warm-up. First, we're going to look over at the vowels that are boxed with the red box. Then we'll practice a couple of our glued sounds. So remember, when you're going through your sounds, say the letter, the keyword, and then the sound. Let's begin. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Great job. Now we've got 3 glued sounds to look at. Remember to say all of the letters, the keyword, and then the sound. A-L-L, ball, all. O-N-G, song, ong. U-N-K, junk, unk. Great job. So the reason we just practiced our vowel sounds during our sound drill is because today we're adding new vowel sounds to our card deck. So the sounds we'll be looking at are called long vowel sounds. And the long vowel sound says the name of the letter. So if we start up here with A, we'll have A, safe, A. E, Pete, E. I, pine, I. O, home, O. Down here, you'll notice that the letter U has 2 long vowel sounds because sometimes the sound gets cut off a little bit in words. So we've got U, mule, U, and then U, rule. And if you listen closely in rule, you have r, oo, ul. So the oo is the sound there, which is very close to saying you, but it's just cut off a little bit. If we look on our sound cards have the vowel, then a dash where the consonant would be in the word, and then the E. The E, the magic E, is what's going to be controlling our vowel consonant E syllables. So on here, you would notice the A, the dash, and then the E. So that's A, safe, A. E, Pete, E. I, pine, I. O, home, O. U, mule, U. U, rule, oo. Great job. We'll continue to practice these over the next few lessons. Our word of the day today is hope. And hope, you'll notice, is very similar to the word hop. The only difference is that it has our magic E at the end of it. So this is a consonant vowel consonant word, ah, hop. The O is just saying its normal short sound, ah. Over here, we have a consonant, a vowel, a consonant, and then an E. The E controls the O, making it a long vowel, so it will say its own name. So when we tap this word, we have O, hope. The E will not make a sound when it's a magic E in the vowel consonant E word. So we have hop, then when we add the magic E on the end, it becomes hope. Now we're going to practice. All of the words that are in this column are consonant, vowel, consonant words. Then all of the words over in this column have magic E's on them, so they are the vowel, consonant, E words. The E stays very busy. It's always helping the other letters. It will change the other letters' names. Remember, it changes them to the long vowel sound, and the long vowel sound is when the letter will say its name. Remember, when you see vowel, consonant, E, the E will not make a sound. Its only job is to change the sound of the vowel. So let's start up top. We have k, a, p, cap. Then with our vowel consonant E, k, a, p, cape. Next we have f, a, t, fat. Vowel consonant E, f, a, t, fate. Down here we have t, a, p, tap. Vowel consonant E, t, a, p, tape. Down here, l, at, lat. And then we've got l, a, t, late. Our last word, g, a, b, gob. And then vowel consonant e, g, o, b, gobe. It's kind of fun to practice this with words that could be nonsense words at the beginning. Then when you add the vowel consonant e, it becomes a real word. Or maybe it's a real word at the beginning. When you add the vowel consonant e, it becomes a nonsense word. You can practice both at home. We also have a special rule for the sound of S. So we know our normal S sound is S, snake, S. We've also learned our S sound can be S, bugs, Z. So we learned that the S can make the Z sound when it's a suffix, like in the word bugs. But it can also make that sound when it's found between two vowels. So this first word here, we notice the S is right in the middle of two vowels, the I and the E. And it is a magic E. So it's controlling the sound of the I. It's changing it from saying I to saying I. So when we tap this word, we have R, I, Z, rise. So the S is making the Z sound, and the I is making the long vowel sound because of the vowel consonant E pattern. The next word we have the I and the magic E, and the S is right in between them. So again, whenever the S is trapped between two vowels, it can make the Z sound. And because this is a magic E, a vowel consonant E word, the I, instead of saying I, will say I. So when we tap this word, we have eyes, wise. Great job. Okay. So it's also important to remember to mark your words after you're writing them. Whenever we mark our words, it's showing that we know what the word is made of. It's showing that we know all of the sounds and all of the different features inside of that word. So on this page, we're looking at the word rope. This is a vowel consonant E word. It has a magic E. So if we tap the word rope, we would have R-O-P, rope. The first step to marking this is to scoop the syllable. So we would scoop rope all the way underneath. The second step is to label the syllable. Normally, we've been practicing labeling closed syllables. So we would scoop it and mark it with a C for closed. Now, this is a new syllable type. This is a vowel consonant E syllable. So we're going to scoop it first, and then the next step is to mark it V-E. That stands for vowel consonant E. Lastly, you'll need to mark the vowel sound and cross off the E. So the vowel sound, the O, is saying O. That's the long vowel sound. And you can remember that this is a long line above the O. It's not like the little breve scoop that you did with your short vowel sounds. You make a straight long line to show that it's the long vowel sound. And our fancy word for that is a macron. So you mark your long vowel with your macron, and then you're going to cross off your E. You cross off your E because remember, the E is not making a sound. So this is showing that you know the R is saying R, the O is saying O, and the P is saying P, R, O, P, rope. So the marking doesn't mean that the E is not part of the word anymore. It's just showing that you know it's not making a sound. And so once it's all the way done, you've got your scoop, your vowel consonant E label, your macron for your long vowel, and your magic E, your silent E, is crossed off. So now it's your turn to practice. I'm going to tell you 4 words. So make sure you have a paper ready, pencil ready as well. You'll have 4 words that I need you to write down. I want you to listen carefully to the words, then carefully tap out the word. After that, write it on your paper, and then the last step is to mark it up. And remember, we just practiced marking up the words. Scoop, mark it with a vowel consonant E label, mark your vowel long vowel, and cross out your quiet E, your magic E. So again, scoop your syllable, mark it with your vowel consonant E label, mark your long vowel, and cross off your silent E. Okay. If you need to hear a word again, remember that this is a video, so you can just rewind it back to hear the word multiple times. All right, the first word is cave. K-A-V, cave. The second word is wise. W-I-Z, wise. The third word is plain. P-L-A-N, plain. Be careful with that word. It seems like there might be a blend in it. And your last word is like. L-I-K, like. Now remember, you need your 4 words written on your paper, and make sure each word is done all of the marking on. So check your words now. You should have cave, wise, plain, and like. All right, good job.